Hello everyone, and this video is going to be about how to download and install Visual Studio Code on M1 MacBook. First, go to Visual Studio Code website, which is code.visualstudio.com, and then click Download Mac Universal. Once you click the button, the download will restart. And here I will stop the download because I've already downloaded the file. Once you downloaded the file, you can already use it as usual. But if you open your Launchpad, the Visual Studio Code icon will not appear. So the next thing we gotta do is to copy this application file and paste it into the application folder. Right click and then paste item. Wait a second, and then once it finish, now you can see the Visual Studio Code icon in your Launchpad. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.